is not a concept car, it's a car that we will produce in 3 pieces. We have 3 funny and lucky guys that are that build the car. And this car is the 4th, it will remain in the company. This is a T car. The car is homologated in USA and Europe. In terms of design, we found inspiration for this car from race. It's you can see the separation of fender, the monocoque on view, and the aerodynamics are the most important things for us. So this car is driven by functionality. We were working with our designer since the beginning, controlling aerodynamics and starting with the diffuser. This is strange, but it's one of the most important part of this car. For us, the Veneno is only a beautiful way to celebrate the 50th anniversary. So Geneva is one of the most important show in the world, car show in the world, and it was important for us to come up with something beautiful and something that is important in our 50th anniversary. I hope that this is the Veneno will prepare the big event we have in the 8th of May in the company, where we will have a lot of customer, a lot of beautiful car running, and through Italy, and after with a big event in the company.
We are very inspired from Le Mans, and that's the main concept. For example, as you can see, you see the main body, and then 4 fenders that are divided from the main body by the black surface and the black empty space that defining the car. So the concept is very clear, and this concept was finalized in very few weeks of work. We try to keep the body painted surface very clean and concentrating the details like holes and intakes and the outtake for the air in the black parts or in the carbon fiber parts. To close the shape, a big fin and the final rear wings. The aerodynamic is very detailed, and we study it from the beginning, as you can see, and this is one of the most the biggest difference from the Aventador. As you can see, the underbody is totally different. You can see there's a hole that is very big, almost it's impossible to see the suspension. So this aerodynamic is very well done and permits a big downforce for the car. So we hope that this car will be possible to see in the race. So this is the designer dream. The wheels are designed to be as light as possible, and that's why you see a very narrow spokes. So in order to keep the design so clean, we decided to apply an element in carbon fiber to characterize the design. And so you can see this circular element around the crown. It is attached by screw. It is defining the car in a different way, but always keeping feeling with our previous creatures, like the concept, the Aventador J and the Sesto Elemento. The main difference compared to a Le Mans car is that we have the A-pillar, typical Lamborghini A-pillar, that is very wide open, and compared with the Le Mans car that is very central around the seat of the driver. So we had to keep this area. It can be exactly like a Le Mans, but the concept was to create a airflow that passes through the car, attached to the side and passing through the rear fender. And this is what was studied with our colleagues in technical departments that follow the aerodynamics, and it follow. If you can see through here, there's a big channel for the air, and the air is supposed to be attached here and pass through, connected with the airflow that comes from the wheel arch. So all the solution that you can see are not designer stuff, but are something that is functional.